Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall AutoCAD completely on a PC. To get started, in the search box, enter Control. Open the Control panel. Now click on Uninstall a program. After that, select Autodesk AutoCAD 2024, then click on Install, click Yes to confirm. After this, in the wizard, click on Uninstall. After that, wait for this process to be completed to uninstall AutoCAD. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Click Finish. You will see that AutoCAD has been uninstalled. Then, access the File Explorer. Afterwards, you will go to the path where AutoCAD was installed. Next, select the Autodesk folder and click Delete. Finally, complete this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.